Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Rabiul Islam before you. Welcome to my class. My dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In the eve of coronavirus, hope you are safe and sound. You will be learned today transformation of sentence. There are many kinds of sentence which we can transform from one another. For example, assertive, negative, affirmative, interrogative, exclamatory, assertive, simple, complex, compound, positive, comparative, superlative, and their vice versa. Today, I will discuss you a transformation of sentence that is very important for class 8 to class 10 or Dakhil or JDC examinee, that is exclamatory to assertive, including how, oblique, what. So, without wasting time, let's go to start. Dear learners, look at the board. I have written here exclamatory to assertive, including how, oblique, what. Rules: subject plus verb plus a oblique an if necessary, plus very oblique great plus adjective oblique adverb oblique noun after part of how oblique what. Okay. Point to be noted: adjective oblique adverb is equal to very and noun is equal to great. If the word is adjective or adverb after how oblique what, it will be very. On the other hand, if the word is noun after ws word, it will be great. Okay, let's go to example. What a fool I am. What a fool I am. You have to transform this sentence into assertive according to these rules. At first, you have to give subject. What is subject of this sentence? The subject is I, because we know that before verb subject is available. Here am verb, I subject. So I. Next, verb. What is verb? Here am is verb. So I am. Then a oblique an if necessary. If you notice a oblique an in the sentence, you have to give it. But if a oblique an is not available in the sentence, you don't need to give it. So I am a. I am a. Then very oblique great according to the rules. Very oblique great. This is confusion. Will you give very here or great here? Listen to me carefully and look at the board. I have written here, if the word is adjective or adverb after ws word, you have to give very. After ws word, the word is full. Is full very or adjective? Full. Here full is not adjective or adverb. But what is full? If the word is noun after how oblique what, it will great. So full here noun. So we have to give here great, not very. I am a great. Then according to the rules, adjective or adverb for noun or after part of how oblique what. After part of how oblique what is full. So I am a great fool. That's it. Dear learners, I repeat this sentence. At first you have to give subject. Subject here I. Then verb. Verb here am. Then a oblique n if necessary. A. Then very oblique great. This word is noun, so we have given here we can give here great. Then remaining part of the sentence. Remaining part is full. Or after how oblique what, remaining part is full. So I am a great fool. For your kind consideration, I am giving another sentence. How beautiful the rose is. How beautiful the rose is. According to the rules, at first you have to give subject. Here subject is the rose. The rose. Subject here the rose. Then verb. Verb here is. The rose is. Then very oblique great. If the word is adjective, you have to give very. If the word is noun, you have to give great. So beautiful is adjective. So you have to give very. The rose is very. Then adjective oblique adverb oblique noun. So adjective here beautiful. The full sentence is the rose is very beautiful. This is the mechanism of changing sentence exclamatory to assertive. I think that it will be clear to you from today. For your kind consideration, I shortly describe these rules once again. How can we change exclamatory to assertive? At first you have to give subject, then verb, then a oblique n if necessary, then very oblique great. If the turning point or turning word is adjective, you have to give very, and the word is noun, you have to give great, then adjective, adverb or noun. This is the rules of assertive. Okay, dear learners, no more today. See you in the next class with another topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.